For this video, I'll quickly show you how to use a style sheet in Web Expressions. So already I've got an index page, which is like the home page, and I've got the style sheet here. So the first thing is I'll just get rid of this code and I'll show you how you can link the style sheet. So first thing, you just take the style sheet, drag it over and drop it. There we go. So I'll try that again. Drag it and just drop it into the design, and you can see it turns to this little icon and that links it together. So already it's changed color to red. And if I open the style sheet now, you can see it's because the body has a background here. So I'll show you what else we can do is in the index, inside the body, I'll add a new tag and we'll type in a H1 tag. There we go. So I've closed it, and this website is about endangered animals. Okay, there we go. So it's appeared and it's just the normal heading one there. So something we can do in the style sheet is make a new tag. It's a H1, and we can sort of define or say what we want that tag to look like. So we open our curly brackets. Oops. And then you have these options. So I'm going to start with the text color. So if we just type color, and let's go to white, and then end that one. Okay, and I'll test that one. If we go back to index, already the text has changed color. So on our style sheet, I might want to do text align, and then I want it to be in the center. And if we go back to index, you can see it automatically changes. Okay, that's really useful is if you had a few web pages, even if you had, I don't know, a big website with hundreds of pages, you'd only have to change the style sheet and every page would change exactly the same. And down here you can have the different sections. So if you had a table or different headers or the paragraph, and you could do the same and just define or say how you want it to look like, and then it should change automatically on each page.